Garmin DriveSmart 86 versus Garmin DriveSmart 76. Which GPS navigator should you buy? Looking for a dedicated GPS navigator and deciding between Garmin's DriveSmart 86 and DriveSmart 76. The biggest question is simple. Is the larger 86 actually worth choosing over the more compact 76? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. Both models offer Garmin's core navigation features, including preloaded maps, free map updates, lane guidance, junction views, voice-activated navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and traffic information when paired with compatible services. They also support features such as driver alerts and compatibility with Garmin backup cameras. The main difference is size. The DriveSmart 86 has an 8-inch display with a 1280 by 800 resolution, while the DriveSmart 76 has a 6.95-inch display with 1024 by 600 resolution. The 86 is also larger and heavier, weighing about 295 grams compared with roughly 240 grams for the 76. Both have rechargeable batteries rated for up to about 1 hour. That larger screen is the biggest reason to choose the 86. It gives you more space for maps, directions, and junction information, and it can be used in either landscape or portrait orientation. The 76 is easier to fit into smaller dashboards and remains a strong choice if you don't need the extra screen area. There are also some practical limitations. Both are dedicated GPS devices, so drivers who already rely heavily on Apple Maps or Google Maps may find a separate navigator less necessary. Voice controls can also be imperfect, according to independent reviews. So, which should you buy? Choose the DriveSmart 86 if you want the largest, clearest screen and don't mind the bigger unit. Choose the DriveSmart 76 if you want very similar core navigation features in a smaller package and can live with the smaller display. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which Garmin GPS you choose.